I've been using the Target shopping app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Target shopping app. Target app is essentially a comprehensive shopping companion that makes buying from Target easier, whether you're at home or in-store. It offers a personalized experience with features like Target Circle, which delivers automatic deals, exclusive partner perks, and rewards that help you save more on your favorite products. One of its standout features is Drive Up, where you can order from your car and have your items brought right to you without stepping inside the store. Additionally, the app also helps you organize your shopping trips with personal lists, store maps, and barcode scanning for quick product info. Plus, it's great for busy shoppers who want convenience and savings all in one place. However, some users find the new Target Circle offers confusing and have reported difficulties redeeming rewards, especially if they don't use a Target credit card. Despite these hiccups, the app remains a reliable tool for easy shopping, fast checkout, and exclusive deals, especially if you're a frequent Target shopper. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.